Welcome back to the Venture Mindset. I'm Adam Albright, and today I'm kicking off an exciting challenge. I've chosen 5 of the most popular wealth-building books, and I'm going to dive deep into their strategies, test them out, and see if I can actually use these ideas to build serious wealth, maybe even millions. People say these books have changed lives, but how practical are they really? Let's see if these strategies stand up in the real world as I try to put them into action. First up is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This one's a classic, and it's all about shifting the way you think about money. Kiyosaki emphasizes building assets, not just working for a paycheck. My challenge here? I'm going to build at least one asset stream, whether it's investing in stocks, real estate, or something else, by the end of this experiment. I'll be putting a small amount into an investment account to start growing over time. This book is all about learning to let your money work for you instead of just working for money. So let's see if that concept really sticks. Next, we've got The Millionaire Next Door. This book takes a completely different approach, diving into the habits of everyday millionaires who live modestly, save diligently, and focus on building wealth gradually. My challenge here is to cut unnecessary expenses and adopt a frugal mindset. That means swapping out daily coffee runs, eating in more, and cutting back on anything I don't need. Let's see how much I can save by following a disciplined, wealth-focused lifestyle. This next one, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, is a mindset classic. Hill's idea is that wealth starts in the mind and is driven by goal clarity, the power of visualization, and relentless action. My challenge with this one is to set a specific financial goal, visualize it daily, and take consistent action toward it. I'll be dedicating a few minutes every day to visualize my goals and remind myself why I'm working toward them. This is about building a millionaire mindset and seeing if this mental discipline really makes a difference. Now we're getting technical with The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book is all about understanding the stock market and making smart, long-term investments. My challenge with this one? I'll use Graham's principles to analyze a stock, make an informed investment, and hold it for the duration of this experiment. I'll pick a stock that shows real potential based on value investing principles. Let's see if these classic strategies actually pay off in today's market. Finally, we have Your Money or Your Life. This one takes a holistic view, encouraging readers to rethink their relationship with money and focus on living in alignment with their values. It's not just about wealth, but about financial independence and peace. My challenge here is to track my expenses meticulously and calculate my true hourly wage to see what my time is actually worth. This means I'll be tracking every dollar to make sure my spending aligns with my long-term goals. I'm interested to see how it feels to spend more intentionally. So, there you have it, my game plan. I'll be diving into these 5 wealth-building books, applying their strategies, and reporting back on what works, what doesn't, and what I've learned. Who knows? Maybe these books will be the start of something big. If you're interested in seeing how this challenge goes, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a comment if you've read any of these books, and let me know which strategies have worked for you. And stay tuned for an upcoming video where I'll be sharing my results, and let's see if I'm closer to hitting that millionaire milestone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.